Garmin has introduced the Venu 3 and Venu 3 smartwatches without LTE and 5G support, priced at $450. The flagship model in the series is the Garmin Venu 3. These watches feature a 1.4-inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 454 x 454 pixels, protected by third-generation Gorilla Glass. The wearable gadget comes with Wi-Fi, LTE, Bluetooth, and 30 pre-installed applications, but it does not include LTE or 5G support. The Garmin Venu 3 can track physical activity metrics and analyze sleep quality, even offering a daytime sleep detection feature. They boast an impressive 11-day battery life, surpassing competitors like the Apple Watch Series 8 and Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 in this regard. Previously, Garmin did not have smartwatches with support for wheelchair mode, but the Venu 3 model addresses this by counting pushes instead of steps and reminding users to shift their weight rather than requiring movement. The Garmin Venu 3 has a 45 mm diameter casing and weighs 46 g, while the Venu 3's is 4 mm smaller in diameter and 6 g lighter. However, the battery life of the Venu 3's has been reduced from 11 to 10 days. The cost of the Garmin Venu 3 and Venu 3's is $450 each. Both models are now available for purchase on the company's official website.